In this video, we'll be learning how to zoom in Affinity as well as how to navigate with our artwork or document in Affinity. So without any further ado, let's get started. So in order to zoom in Affinity, we can simply use the zoom tool, which is right below here, or we can simply press on the shortcut key Z and it will change our cursor to a zoom tool cursor. Now, in order to zoom in and out, we can simply click and then drag to the right to use the scrubby zoom, which is my favorite way of using zoom in most of the graphic tools, and drag to the left to zoom out. In addition to this, let's create a new shape here, which is the square shape. Let's click and drag. Now, after creating square shape, let's give a particular color to it as well. Let's give it a color blue for now. Now, if we want to zoom into this particular shape, we can also click on the view menu item and then click on the sub menu item zoom and then click on to selection in order to zoom to selection. Or you can also use the shortcut key of Shift, Command and 0 in order to zoom into the selection, which is the square. We can also fit to the screen when we are zooming by pressing the shortcut key of Command 0. And if we want to zoom in 100%, we can also use the shortcut key of Command 1 to zoom into the 100%. Now, in order to navigate around our document, we can use the hand tool, which is down below right here, or we can use the shortcut key of H, which will change our tool to a hand tool. And by simply clicking and dragging, we can navigate around to our document like so. And in order to zoom all the way out, we can fit our document on the window by using the shortcut key of Command 0. So when we are clicking on the zoom tool, you can see our contextual taskbar or property of Affinity being changed. And we can also change our zoom levels by simply clicking and dragging this slider. And this is the other way of using the scrubby zoom feature that we have. So this is how we can zoom and navigate in different documents in Affinity. In addition to that, if you're a Mac user or using a laptop, then you can also use your trackpad to zoom in and out by separating the two fingers and then joining them together in order to zoom in and out like so. So I hope you learned how to zoom in and out in Affinity as well as navigate around your document in Affinity. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you want to know more about Affinity in my future videos, then please place the subscribe button in order to get notified about new content I'll be posting about Affinity in the future. Thank you for watching the video and see you on the next video.